Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
Hey folks, welcome to Who's That Girl, where we, or I, review synthetic wigs at least once a week. Every Sunday I try to drop a wig review. Y'all know what it is. Anyway, today we have an Outre wig. It's Outre, which I haven't reviewed an Outre wig in a really long time. I've been in my sensational bag. It is what it is. But today we have an oldie but goodie. This one is from the Perfect Hairline. Her name is Julianne. Now, Julianne is a fully hand-tied 13x6 lace wig. She has HD transparent soft lace, fully hand-tied, frontal, no plucking required. She has the baby hairs, an adjustable wide elastic band, and she's heat style friendly. Ear to ear soft Swiss lace. She has a back comb for a secure fit. Baby hairs included, natural contour. She has a natural contour for a perfect fit. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox Miss Julianne. Let's open her up. Oh, I got her in the color DR2 Chocolate Swirl. This is what she looks like straight out of the pack. Oh, snap. Oh, I'm liking this color. It's chocolatey. Let's take out the stuff. This is what her hairline is giving. She comes with mad baby hair. She got the two combs on the side. One in the back, like I said before, an adjustable elastic band. Can you just come off? No. And then the straps that always come in every wig. And she has a breathable mesh cap. 13x6 lace. Let's try her on and see what she's giving. Try this bad boy on. She feels kind of tight already. I don't know. I don't feel like I'm going to use the band because she's feeling kind of tight already. So let's see. Oh, yeah, I'm definitely not using the band. Ow, 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 ew, what is that? What hurt? Alright. Oh, for that. I go outside like this, bitch. You. What? Test me. I would go outside like this, baby. Okay, let's fix her. Let's fix her. Can we fix her? Let's fix her together. Cause she looks so fucking good. Ooh, sorry, I can crack her. She looks good. Yeah? Alright, she is a snug fit. So I'm gonna say she might be glueless. It does not say glueless. But she's tight enough to be glueless now. Definitely comes ear to ear. She can. Yeah, baby. Get into that ear to ear. Yeah, boy. That's what I'm talking about. Full coverage. Off. I should do a widow's peak. What y'all think? Let that come down a little bit. Oh man, she's so cute. So I'm gonna go about putting her together. I'm gonna fast forward this video. Then I'm gonna come back, comb her out, style her, and then give you my thoughts and opinions on Miss Julianne. She is so fire already. I feel like I should have really beat my face the way I could have. You know what I'm saying? But she cute. I love when the hair actually gives you don't gotta do the makeup and everything, and it just, the accessory does what it's supposed to do. You know what I'm saying? I love when the accessory, you hear me, does what it's supposed to do.
Okay, so I just realized I actually totally forgot to press record when I was cutting the lace. So this is what it looks like after I cut everything and cleaning up all that extra residue that was left over by that spray. I'm gonna use the lace bond gel to further lay my lace, and then yeah, go from there. So apologize about that, folks.
Now that I got her all the way together, and I got her all the way together, baby, when I pay my money for a synthetic wig, when I pay my money for a synthetic wig, I want her to dance and make her dance. Dance and make her dance. Pop it. I don't know the rest of the word. Anyway, this is exactly what I mean when I say this is what a synthetic wig is supposed to look like. She is giving off human hair vibes. Yes, she's synthetic, but you wouldn't be able to tell. Not by the way I laid her down. Not by her curls. Not by her color. Not by the way she's styled. Not from the back. Baby, you wouldn't be able to tell. So let's go over the pros and cons. Let's go over the pros because I don't have a con. I just don't. I'm sorry. She's big head friendly. I was able to go about doing widow's peak. You can go about plucking her if you want to. She's very versatile. So if I wanted to, y'all see the material, I could, but I am loving the middle part. Something about, I'm not a middle part girly. I'm not. Usually I'm not. But this right here, her vibes are giving Dominican blowout. Like I literally went to the Dominicans. They washed the hell out of my hair, put the big old rollers in, put me on the dryer for 45 minutes, okay? And it was burning right in the middle here. You know when that here, and you keep calling the chick to come over to, you know, can you lower this please? Because that hurts. She blew dry it with the flick of the wrist. And this was the outcome. Oh, she wrapped it. She wrapped it after she blew dry it. And then this was the outcome. This was the outcome. Baby, she is fire. Hands down, a 10, 10, 10 across the board. I'm not too sure what took me so long to review this wig because I know she's been around for a couple of years now. I know she's been around probably more than 5 years, maybe 3 or 5 years. But Juliana she's top tier. She's up there with the Letitias. She's up there with the Bombshells. Up there with Bobby Boss Harena. She is up there. Like when I say you need a synthetic wig in your closet, she's what I'm talking about. In this color, she eats. Now, you know I'm a 11B girly, but this chocolate swirl, eating them up, folks. This chocolate swirl is eating them up. I have no, I don't even know where to take this. What more information do you need? Like, I already gave you all information on the stock card. She's everything she needs to be. If you want to go about plucking her, you can. I think I did enough, but I probably could pluck her if I wanted to. If you wanted to lay baby hairs, you could. I didn't want to do all that. This was enough for me. This was enough for me. Where would I wear her to? She must be seen. You hear me? She could be dressed up. She could be dressed down. You can take her to church. You could take her to a function. You could take her to work. When you're about to have that meeting to shut that bitch down who was talking shit about you via email. in a nice way. Baby, who am I? My name is not Vageline anymore, baby. It's Juliana. You understand me? If you happen to like what you see in this channel, matter of fact, she's such a 10. I didn't even go about changing. I'm still in my moo-moo. And she eats. I'm still in my moo-moo. And she eats. Let me go out there right now to my man sitting in the living room in his moo-moo, and guess what? Oh, I'm popping, baby. Listen, if you happen to like what you see in this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Put a comment below, say moo-moo if you know this hair eats. I'm gonna upload a baddie like this one, cause baby, she's bad. You will go ahead and get notified. All right, folks, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.